Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the YINYIN Cuticle Trimmer with Cuticle Pusher and Cutter. This tool set promises precision and quality for your nail care routine. Let's dive into whether it lives up to the hype. First, let's discuss the product overview. The YINYIN Cuticle Trimmer is crafted from 100% premium polished stainless steel, ensuring both durability and long-lasting sharpness. This 3-in-1 tool set includes a cuticle trimmer, cuticle pusher, and cuticle cutter. The cuticle trimmer features a scientific jaw design for a secure grip, which is particularly useful for cutting cuticles in small areas around the nails. Additionally, it has an adjustable double-wing spring, enhancing flexibility and comfort during use. The cuticle pusher is designed with an ergonomic, non-slip handle, making it easy to push back cuticles painlessly. Its dual functionality includes a sharp end for cutting or scraping away dead cuticles, while the curved flat end pushes the skin back flawlessly. The cuticle cutter's unique triangle head is tailored to remove gel nail polish efficiently and healthily. When it comes to usage experience, setting up and using this tool set is a breeze. The stainless steel construction feels robust, and the adjustable spring mechanism on the trimmer offers a comfortable grip. The pusher's ergonomic design ensures that even delicate cuticle work is handled with ease. The cutter, with its sharp triangle head, makes gel polish removal quick and effective. In terms of performance, the YINYIN Cuticle Trimmer set excels in its intended functions. For instance, the trimmer provides precise cuts, even in tricky areas around the nails. The pusher is effective for both daily maintenance and more detailed cuticle work. During real-world testing, the cuticle cutter showed its efficiency in removing gel polish without causing damage to the nails or surrounding skin. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the stainless steel construction ensures durability and maintains sharpness over time. The ergonomic designs of the pusher and cutter contribute to a user-friendly experience. The inclusion of an iron storage box is a thoughtful addition, keeping the tools organized and extending their lifespan. However, the set's higher price point compared to some budget alternatives might be a consideration for those seeking cost-effective options. Comparing this set with similar products, YINYIN stands out for its premium materials and thoughtful design. While there are cheaper alternatives available, they often lack the same level of precision, build quality, or durability. In terms of value for money, this set offers a strong proposition. It includes all essential tools for comprehensive cuticle and nail care, making it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The quality and longevity of the stainless steel tools add to the overall value. Build quality is a highlight, with the stainless steel construction feeling sturdy and reliable. There are no significant design flaws noted, and the tools appear built to last. User-friendliness is another strong point. The intuitive design of each tool makes them easy to use, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned nail care professional. Customer support for YINYIN is reported to be responsive and helpful, adding an extra layer of confidence in the purchase. As for real-world testing, this tool set has proven effective in various scenarios, from routine manicures to more complex nail art applications. The performance remained consistent, affirming its reliability. In summary, the YINYIN Cuticle Trimmer with Cuticle Pusher and Cutter is a high-quality tool set that excels in both design and functionality. It's ideal for those who value precision and durability in their nail care tools. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with our latest content. Your support helps us bring you more great reviews. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the YINYIN Cuticle Trimmer set in the description box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences if you already own this set. We'd love to hear from you.